Hey, good morning, Pyro people. We are going to continue our store tour in our 500 grams aisle 27 and aisle 28. Sunwing fireworks and flashing fireworks. So we'll get started right here with Sunwing. We'll start with Crazy Goose. See Crazy Goose. We go on to Pop and Crackle, 27 shotter. By Sunwing Fireworks, $28.99, just so you can kind of see price there. Next thing we have here is Neon Pulse, 25 shotter. Get into Triple Crown, so 30 shotters. Triple Crown, just so you can see, $34. We have Booty Call. Go into the 38 shot Matrix by Sunwing Fireworks, $50. Next one, a good one to celebrate our country's 250th. We got Absolute Power. So 13 shotter, 30 seconds, $27 there. I'm going to cross over to the second part of this aisle. This will get us into flashing fireworks. So we got Pharaoh's Treasure, 132 shotter. This is a big one, $100. Let's see, it's a big cake. We have Monster Crackle, flashing fireworks. We've got Granny's Gone Wild by Flashing. If you've shot any of their stuff, this has been around for a while. 30 shotter, another decent sized cake. Black Magic by Flashing Firework. Got Hitman. Get into a staff favorite here for Flashing, Worm Burner. All right, the next thing we'll get into here is Hypnotic by Flashing Fireworks. Got Military Grade by Flashing. One Bad Brother, 20 shotter by Flashing. We have Wicked Willows by Flashing Fireworks. Have Dr. Loud. We've got some small $20 cakes by Flashing Fireworks. Anaconda, Black Mamba, Copperhead, Diamondback, and King Cobra. I believe all 13 shotters, $20 cakes there from Flashing Fireworks. So affordable 500 grams. We're going to spin around to definitely a favorite of ours. I think a lot of people love this. By Flashing Fireworks, Hippie Chicks, or Hippie Chick. You can see we are fully stocked and ready for you guys on Hippie Chick. Same with Shredder. Cool Falling Leaves. We absolutely love Shredder. And we have a staff favorite on that one for you guys. And then definitely stocked up. Cool colors in this one. Cool effects. $55 on Shredder. Then we get into Ape Escape. So Flashing's version of Guerrilla Warfare, I believe. They're pretty darn close. So we got Ape Escape here. Staff favorite on it. We get into Minor 49er. So this is a 10 shot. This is not the NOAB. This is 10 shot cake, Minor 49er. We have Barn Party. $50 just to give you an idea. Sorry guys on prices. Willie's Choice. And guys, I know we get a lot of comments on prices. As you see, we don't have a point of sale system. We'll be as transparent as we possibly can. Sometimes, though, that just takes a phone call in for us to be able to share prices. We don't have a website with full inventory. We are actively working on a website right now where we hope to give you some more transparency there. But yeah, family owned, still a little old school in that, and still hand price everything. So there's Star Child, another staff favorite for us. Try to be transparent on these videos, and then always help you guys out if you give us a call. I want to know quantities, prices, anything like that. Light of Illusions. Right, and then we'll cross back over. Strike Force, I actually love this one. I don't have a staff favorite on it. But Strike Force by Sunwing. It's a very cool cake. That one's $60, just to give you an idea. It's a big cake. Good size. We got Surf's Up by Sunwing. This is a 162 shotter, so another big cake from them. Rainbow Overload, another big one. Got a lot of big cakes actually by Sunwing Fireworks. So we got Rainbow Overload. Then we get over here into Melted Neon. Melted Neon is a 30 shotter and about 20 seconds. And then you can see $50 there, 25 seconds, I guess. Beast, 172 shotter. And just another big cake from Sunwing. We've got quite a few big cakes from them. Sparta. So we got staff favorite on this one. For you guys, this is 168 shots. 30-second cake. It was 130. And in here we have Cocoa Palm. Cocoa Palm there. You'll see America the Beautiful. It's a cool one. Staff favorite. 45 shots. 35 seconds. $45 on that one. We have Glitter Spectacular by Sunwing. Then we get into Sakura. One of my favorite cakes just looks wise. Like the aesthetics of it. That is 147 shots. And then that one is $90. Again, another good size cake, big cake. Twacked Out. We don't have a staff favorite on this. I don't know why. I love Twacked Out. This is all we have currently of Twacked Out, but it is a fun cake. And that one is $32. And then we get over here to Salute. So this is a 28 shotter. Good for this year's celebrations as well. 32 seconds. And Salute is $50. And then we, in the row, we just have a couple random items left. We have a couple Angry Pandas and a Scream Louder by Sunwing Fireworks. So guys, again, aisles 27 and 28 at the Fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. That is Sunwing Fireworks and Flashing Fireworks. Again, I'm trying to show prices a little bit more. I know we get that comment. Not trying to hide those from you. We just honestly don't have a very good way of doing it right now since we don't have retail on our actual website. So please feel free. If you saw anything in here that I didn't mention a price on, please feel free to comment on the video or give us a phone call and be happy to help out. All right, guys, have a wonderful day.